future.
A sci-fi promotion. Everything looks like progress in slow motion. They say innovation, they say development, then speak to the people like time never went ahead. High-tech country, low-tech mindset. We upgraded buildings but not consciousness yet. Future concrete, old mindset, so advanced, emotionally unset. We got AI, we got 5G stress, but still governed like 1935 dress. Future concrete, old mindset, modern words with ancient regrets. Hey. The whole world inside a pocket device. Like knowledge is dangerous, fragile control. Respect tradition, respect belief, but don't confuse it with intellectual relief. Every time someone asks why, we answer with silence, stress test, spiritual sky. Culture alive, yes, let it breathe, but not as a reason for minds to freeze. Future concrete, old mindset. We're fully modern, don't place your bets. We talk tomorrow while stuck in rewind, leading forward with a backward mind. Future concrete, old mindset. Same script, different management set. You call it progress, we call it delay, because nothing changes in how you think today.
We built skyscrapers, but forgot to upgrade the mind. Beat returns slowly, heavier Seggae groove enters again. But don't worry, it looks great on camera.
Future concrete, old mindset. Clapping loudly while standing still. We sell progress with yesterday's bill. Calling it destiny, calling it will. Future concrete, old mindset. So much building, so